Did you know that palm oil is the most widely consumed vegetable oil in the world, accounting for nearly 40% of all vegetable oil production? Yet, despite its global prevalence, many home cooks overlook it entirely when choosing oils for their own kitchens. Why is this ingredient, so central to the culinary traditions of Asia, Africa, and Latin America, so often dismissed or misunderstood elsewhere? Today, let's uncover the truth about palm oil, exploring its culinary value, nutritional benefits, and its unique place in kitchens around the globe. Palm oil has been used for thousands of years, with archaeological evidence showing its use in West Africa as far back as 5,000 years ago. Over time, its popularity has spread across continents, making it a staple in dishes ranging from spicy Nigerian stews to fragrant Malaysian curries. In recent years, palm oil has started to gain traction in Western kitchens, as chefs and home cooks alike discover its versatility and rich, buttery flavor. But, along with its growing popularity, palm oil has also attracted controversy and confusion. Many people wonder, is it healthy? Is it sustainable? Should I be using it in my own kitchen? Let's start by addressing some of the most common misconceptions about palm oil. First, there's the health debate. Some claim that palm oil is high in saturated fat and therefore bad for your heart. Others worry about its links to deforestation and environmental harm. These concerns are valid and deserve thoughtful consideration. However, the reality is far more nuanced. Like any ingredient, the impact of palm oil depends on how it's produced, processed, and consumed. So, what's really inside that bottle of palm oil? Nutritionally, palm oil is a powerhouse. It's naturally free from trans fats, which have been shown to increase the risk of heart disease. Unlike many other cooking oils, palm oil contains a balanced mix of saturated and unsaturated fats, making it less likely to oxidize at high temperatures. This stability is crucial for frying and sautéing, where oils often break down and release harmful compounds. In addition, red palm oil, the unrefined form, is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E and beta-carotene, the same compound that gives carrots their orange color. These nutrients support healthy skin, vision, and immune function. But palm oil's appeal isn't just nutritional, it's also culinary. Its high smoke point, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, means it can handle intense heat without burning or developing off flavors. This makes it ideal for stir-fries, deep frying, and searing meats. Its creamy texture and subtle nutty flavor add depth to sauces, soups, and baked goods, enhancing both the taste and visual appeal of your dishes. In fact, many chefs prefer palm oil for its ability to create crisp, golden crusts on fried foods, while maintaining moist, tender interiors. Let's compare palm oil to some of the other oils you might have in your pantry. Olive oil, beloved for its heart-healthy fats, has a relatively low smoke point and a strong, sometimes overpowering flavor. Canola oil, while neutral and versatile, is highly processed and often genetically modified. Coconut oil, often touted for its health benefits, is even higher in saturated fat than palm oil and can impart a strong coconut flavor that may not suit every recipe. Palm oil, on the other hand, strikes a balance between stability, flavor, and nutrition. It's less likely to break down under heat, doesn't overpower your dishes, and is naturally rich in beneficial compounds. Of course, any discussion of palm oil must address the environmental concerns. It's true that large-scale palm oil production has led to deforestation and habitat loss in some parts of the world, particularly in Indonesia and Malaysia. However, not all palm oil is created equal. More and more producers are embracing sustainable practices, certified by organizations like the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, RSPO. By choosing sustainably sourced palm oil, you can support responsible agriculture and help protect the environment. It's important to look for labels indicating sustainability when shopping for palm oil, and to educate yourself about the sources of your ingredients. Now, let's highlight what makes palm oil truly special in the kitchen. Its high smoke point means you can fry, sauté, and bake with confidence, knowing your oil won't break down or produce unwanted flavors. Its natural color and richness enhance the appearance and taste of your food. Imagine golden, crispy plantains or fluffy, vibrant cakes. Palm oil is also incredibly shelf-stable, resisting oxidation and rancidity far better than many other oils. This means it stays fresh longer, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. In many cultures, palm oil isn't just an ingredient. It's a symbol of hospitality, tradition, and celebration. In West African cuisine, red palm oil is the heart of classic dishes like jollof rice and egusi soup, imparting a distinctive color and flavor that can't be replicated by any other oil. In Southeast Asia, it's used to create the base for aromatic curries and stir-fries. Even in Latin American cooking, palm oil is prized for its ability to bring out the best in fried foods and baked goods. By embracing palm oil in your own kitchen, you're opening the door to a world of flavors and culinary creativity. Let's recap the key benefits of cooking with palm oil. It's nutritionally rich, packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Its high smoke point and stability make it perfect for a wide range of cooking techniques, from frying to baking. Palm oil's unique flavor enhances both traditional and modern recipes, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. And when sourced responsibly, palm oil can be part of a sustainable and environmentally conscious diet. Of course, no ingredient is perfect for every situation. If you have specific dietary restrictions or allergies, it's important to consult with a nutritionist or your healthcare provider. But for most people, palm oil can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your culinary repertoire. So, the next time you're shopping for cooking oil, don't overlook palm oil. With its rich history, nutritional value, and unique culinary properties, it deserves a place in your kitchen. Explore new recipes, experiment with flavors, and discover why so many cultures around the world rely on this versatile oil for their most beloved dishes. If you found this exploration of palm oil helpful, and you want to learn more about cooking, nutrition, and global ingredients, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tips. Your culinary journey is just beginning, and palm oil might be the missing ingredient you've been looking for.